Hey guys, how are you? It's Lindy and welcome to a new video. Puppy, come. Oh! Today's video is my favorite kind of video because today I'm going to dye some beautiful hair. And no, I'm not going to dye my own hair because I need to be strong and I need to resist my urge to dye my own hair, and I just need to let it be like this for a while. So today I'm going to dye a wig. Ooh. So today's video is sponsored by YGwigs and they sent me over one of their wigs. So if you're interested in seeing me dye this beauty, then please keep on watching. So this is the inside of the... Oh my god. So this is the inside of the box. As you can see, it's pretty full. So let me just show you guys what you get. One elastic band and two clips to attach to your wig. Two beautiful hair clamps. Then you have two wig caps that always comes in very handy. A little pamphlet thingy of information of the brand and how you can take care of the hair and everything. And then you have a beautiful drawstring bag with their logo on top of it. If you go inside of the bag, you get the wig. Yeah, this is the wig. Oh my god, I love having hair. This wig is a Brazilian lace front wig. It is 14-inch. It's a straight bob. It's 150% density and the color is 613. So yeah, like I said before, 613 is just this dyeable color, because of course we're gonna dye it today, because it wouldn't be a hair video if I didn't dye at least some hair, even if it isn't gonna be my own hair. So yeah, this is the inside. It has 4 clips, I think. Yeah, it has 4 clips in the back and then 3 in the front, and also the adjustable straps in the back, so you can really make it fit your head. And I can just pop it onto my head real fast without a wig cap or anything, so you can kind of see what it's looking like right now. It always looks so weird when you haven't done anything to it. Hey! This is what it's looking like right now. Not very good, but we're gonna make it beautiful, okay? And also you have to keep in mind that this has been sitting in a box for a while probably. So yeah, this is the hair. It feels very soft and nice. And yeah, let's just dye this wig. So I asked you guys on Instagram what color you wanted me to dye my beautiful wig, and I was actually pleasantly surprised because I kind of already knew what color I was going to do, but I wasn't completely sure yet. And that is neon green, and so many of you on Instagram said that I should dye her neon green. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do today, even though the neon green hair trend has died off a long time ago. For the hair dye that I'm going to use, I have 2 different options. I have the Lunar Tides Aurora Green hair dye. Use code crystallindyy for 10% off your purchase. And I also have the Adore Electric Lime hair dye, and I absolutely love how they look both. I've actually dyed my hair this color once before and I think it's such a pretty color, but if I open it up, I do definitely feel this color is a lot more vibrant than the Lunar Tides hair dye. So I think I'm just gonna dye her this color, and then maybe if I end up not really liking it, I'm just gonna go over it with the Lunar Tides hair dye in Aurora Green. So let's just start on dyeing the wig. I think Pablo wants to be dyed green as well. What are you doing there? That's not for you, that's for my wig. So yeah, welcome again at my dining table, and also look at my beautiful YouTube play button that I finally received. It's so cool. So the way that I'm going to dye the wig today is the same way I do all the time actually, and that is by using the water method. For the people who do not know what the water method is, you basically get just a big box like this and you pour some water in it, some hot water, and then you take your hair dye and you pour it in as well, and then you swirl it around, and then you take your hair that I don't want Pablo to see because then he's gonna attack it. So you want to take your hair, this is exactly what I meant, and then you just dip the wig in the water and then it gets the color of the water. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. But Pablo needs to get out of the box because I'm not gonna pour hot water in this. You're so weird. Do you like it in there? Should I get you another box so you can see it in that one? So my tub is filled with water and it is actually extremely hot. So I just burned all 5 of my fingers. So I'm gonna use one of these thingies, you know, so I can like swirl the wig in there. So I'm taking my beautiful hair dye. Totally forgot the name of the stuff that I use every day. And yeah, I'm just gonna pour it in here. So let me just dip the entire wig in there. Oh god! It works immediately. Just wanna like swirl the hair in there and then just open it up a little bit. Just to make sure that the hair dye is everywhere. Look at this color! It's so pretty. But I do think I'm just gonna add a little bit more hair dye in here. Put a little bit of hair dye, because I still have like a little bit of it left. Just to make it a little bit more vibrant, because I want to have obnoxious looking hair. I'm honestly so tempted to just like dip my head in the water. So I can get this hair as well. So yeah, I think the color is great right now. So I'm just gonna rinse it out with some cold water and then put some conditioner in it. And then I'm gonna be back to style this beautiful wig. So my good friend Crystal Foamy joined the party as well. And Pablo is trying to eat the wig. Please don't do that. Go away. So this is the end color. It's still wet, of course, so I think it's gonna be a little bit lighter. I don't think it's a very neon color. It is a little bit more toned down than a neon. It's more of a lime color. But you know, the hair dye was called electric lime, so it makes sense that the hair color turns into a lime color. So what I'm now going to do is I'm just gonna give her a beautiful part, because I want to have a side part for this one. And then I'm just gonna blow dry her, and then I'm going to cut her. And I'm actually pretty scared because I don't have a lot of experience in cutting hairstyles. But I want it to be like a bob and not as long as this, you know? So a little bit over here. So I'm scared, but I'm also excited. Oh my god, you guys, look at my hair! So she's all dried up, as you can see, and I also straightened her a little bit. But honestly, my hair straightener is so bad. It's so old and crusty and dusty, so it doesn't really get the hair as flat as I want it to be. But I'm first off going to cut my hair. I'm gonna cut this off first. And then I'm gonna see, like, maybe I'm gonna cut it shorter, maybe I'm gonna keep it like this. Let's cut this girl up. Oh my god, look at her. She is so cute. I'm just gonna make it a little bit shorter. So yes, I'm just gonna do that real quick. And then I'll be back to put the wig on my head. So yeah guys, my wig is finally done. I've got her over here. She's looking so slimy, so green. I actually love it. I'm just quickly going to pop her on my head so you can see what she looks like. Yeah, this is her. It isn't very neon, I'm gonna be honest. It's more of a like slimy color. So what I'm now going to do is I'm just gonna glue it to my head, which is something that I'm really bad at. But I'm gonna try again. And hopefully this time it's actually gonna work out. I'm going to quickly cut the lace off. Okay, so I got the lace cut off and I'm just gonna put some Got to be glued extreme Freeze hairspray on my forehead, and I'm going to use this to glue my wig down. Normally I would use like the Got2b glued, but I've noticed that this works great as well. So let's just apply this. And I'm also using a ruler to protect the rest of my forehead from the hairspray. I'm honestly so bad at doing this, it's actually insane. So it's kind of glued down, and I'm taking my hairband. I'm just going to put that onto the wig. So I'm just gonna let this sit on my hair for about 10 minutes, and then hopefully my wig will be entirely glued down. But you know, probably not, but we'll see. It's been about 50 minutes, and I'm just gonna take this bad boy off. And let's see what's underneath. Oh, bitch! I've never glued my wig on as good as I just did. Honestly, it's amazing. You can obviously still see the wig cap over here, so I think I'm just gonna put a little bit of concealer on there. So yeah, guys, this is my new wig. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I actually like really love this length. I kind of wish my own hair was already at this length, but you know, that's gonna take a while. So yeah, I really hope you guys liked this new wig dyeing video and wig try on video. I really love making these videos, so I really hope you guys love watching them as well, because I'm definitely planning on making more of them. And I think the next time I'm gonna do like, I don't know, maybe like half black, half white, or maybe something like, I don't know. Next time I'm going to do something special, hopefully, and it's gonna look good, hopefully. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Also thank you to YGwigs for sponsoring this video, of course. I will leave all their information in the description box down below, so you can see like what wig I used and everything, and also a link to their website, of course. And please don't forget to follow me on my YouTube channel. And also please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram channel. And again, I really want to thank you guys for watching, and hope to see you in my next video. Bye!